Hello everyone, how you doing? This is Mitchell, one half of the dynamic duo Mitch and Donna Mastermind. What I want to speak to you today is about when opportunity knocks. Now, are you opening the door for opportunity, or are you opening the door for opportunity, but you're not letting opportunity in? See, opportunity comes for everyone. These are some of the things that may block you from ceasing opportunity. Number one, news program constantly feeding you negativity all the time. 6 o'clock, negativity. 9 o'clock, negativity. 12 o'clock, negativity. 3 o'clock, negativity. 6 o'clock, negativity. 9 o'clock, negativity. 12 o'clock, negativity. And then it goes all over again. Believe me, you're going to know what's going on. We have applications definitely for if you want to know the traffic and the weather, but the news, is constantly feeding you negativity. Another thing is, when opportunity knocks, you're listening to, I call these mean no harmers. See, when something happens, you have mean no harmers. The mean no harmers may be your relatives, it may be your spouse, it may be your family, it may be your friends, it may be your siblings, it may be someone close to you, but they haven't been where you want to go in the opportunity. So when you have an opportunity, sometimes these mean no harmers, they instill their fear in you. So basically what I'm saying is, sometimes they can block you from your opportunity. And they don't mean any harm. It's just that in their lifetime, they have been crushed down so bad that they just want you to be careful, because of the negative programming that they have. Another opportunity blocker is people that you think that are in your corner. And every time you have this great opportunity, you tell this person, which really, that person doesn't want you to go anywhere. That person doesn't want you to succeed at all. But they will make it as, and basically they know that if they can plant this seed in your mind, that you won't even go ahead and take that opportunity. But it's always those people that you go and ask for advice. And these people are controlling you. They don't, and I'm sorry to say this, but some of these people do not want you to succeed. So they're gonna put things in the air to make you not take that opportunity. It might have been a career pursuit. It might have been you wanted to travel. It might have been you saw a particular love interest. And every time you tell that person, it's always something that's going to deter you from your real destination. See, what you have to do as far as when opportunity comes, you have to get advice from people who are successful in that opportunity, period. You cannot get advice from people who have not been in that opportunity. And they're not going to give you any positivity as far as for you to take that opportunity and go. Now, there was a saying, and I keep saying this, the definition of hell is to meet the person that you could have been. And, cease these opportunities. You cannot complain anymore about you didn't have these because opportunities are all around. Opportunities, see, this is another thing. You think that opportunities is going to be wrapped in a cute little bow. It's going to be like a present and it's going to be handed down to you. No. Opportunity is going to come in a form of a thought. Opportunity is going to come in the form of, and then you may think that opportunity is going to come from a clean-cut person in a suit. No. You're going to notice opportunities when they come. You're going to notice because you're going to have this thought in the air. You might have something called synchronicity, which 3 people or 4 people say the same thing and they don't even know each other about your opportunity. See, what you have to do is capitalize. And then opportunities sometimes come in failure. You might go into an opportunity and find out what you really were supposed to do in that leap of faith or in that opportunity that you were pursuing. Guys, look, you have to do it. You have to let go of that fear. Let go of that fear, because opportunity is all around. Now, if you have that fear, or if you know some of the things that I have spoken about, if you know the mean no harmers, if you know the people that are not in your corner, if you need some advice, click on the link below. Go to Mitch and Donna Mastermind, click on this link and set up a scheduled appointment. And we can speak about what you want to do. You can tell us about your opportunities, and we can see if we can have a solution for you. This is Mitch, another half of the Dynamic Duel. Feel free to subscribe. Click the link below. Let's talk about it. Peace.